Hello students, welcome you to this session. Current session is on difference between get ch and get che in C. Before I start this session, please subscribe our channel get ch. Function name is get ch. We have been using this function at the end of each program for many times. We have been using this function for many times at the end of each program. Why? Because it gives a pause, temporary pause. If we want to give anywhere a temporary pause in output, then we use getch function. So it also does another function. It reads a single character from keyboard and it stores the entered character into the variable. Entered character is not shown on the screen. Entered character is not shown on the screen output. When you press this button, it does not show the entered character. So in C++, it needs special library string.h. It is used to give a temporary pause in a program or to get data like password entry. If we want to make a program on password entry, then this function will be much useful. Then this function will be much helpful. Let's see the program. This function, this program here we have taken two variables, chh variable and ch variable with that will allow us to store 20 characters. We have taken two variables. One variable is chh and another variable is ch. Sorry, one variable is chh and another variable is ch. And we have taken another variable c equal to 0. And then we have given message enter password. Then we have used do loop, do curly bracket. Then we have written chh equal to get ch. Get ch function will read single character entered by a user. Getch command will read the data of the keystroke that user presses. So getch function. So getch function will read the data entered by user and store into chh variable. Then we are storing chh variable data into ch array. ch20 is the array, string array at 0 position. Array always starts from array index always starts from 0. What is array? Array is a set of more than one values. Array allows us to store more than one values at a time. In this variable, chh variable, we can store only a single character at a time. But ch20 is a special variable called array variable or subscripted variable. 20 is a subscripted variable. It will allow us to store more than 20 characters. Sorry, it will allow us to store maximum 20 characters. So CH is an array of character type. So array, every value of the array is given a special numbering. That numbering starts from 0. That numbering is called index. If you haven't learned array, then you can watch array topic from our videos. There is a special lecture on array. So ch, this loop will first take first character and will store that character into CHH variable. That character will not appear on screen क्योंकि pressed character is not shown on the screen. The getch command does not allow this data pressed character to be shown on the screen. And getch function will store single character into CHH variable, and that variable value, CHH variable value will be stored into CH array at 0th location. Then we will store at next location, so we increase C equal to C plus 1. We increase the value of C by 1. Next time we loop will, if user does not press enter button, then it continues to take characters. It keeps on taking characters until user presses enter button. Okay, so this entry will not appear on the screen. User will press characters. User will keep on pressing characters. User can keep on pressing characters, but pressed characters will not appear on screen. Okay, while making entries printed and while making entries, pressed character will not appear. But at the end of this program, I have printed data that is kept into CH array. Printf %s, CH is the array. It will print all the characters pressed by you. But while getting entry, it will not print because getch function reads single character and does not allow the character to be printed on the screen. And every character will be stored into CH array. And at the end of /0, at the end of array, a special sign is kept. And our loop will stop when user will press enter button. Our loop will stop. /r means /r is the indication of enter button. Loop will keep on taking characters. Loop will keep on taking characters, and loop will keep on doing this set of statements. Now we come to getche. We have learned getch function will read single character and does not show single entered character on the screen. But getch function, it shows the entered character. It shows the entered character and stores the entered character into variable, and it does not wait for the enter key to be pressed. While in GetCH, it also does not need enter button, because in case of GetCH, as you press the character, that character is stored into the variable, and in this case, GetChe, it stores the data into the variable. It reads single character from the keyboard at a time and directly stores the enter character into the variable without waiting for enter key. And I think you have cleared the difference. I tell you the difference is no difference, but a difference exists there. A difference exists there. What is the difference? GetCH does not show the pressed character, but GetChe shows the pressed character. GetChe shows the pressed character. So thank you. I hope this is cleared. So thank you. Have a nice time. Enjoy, and please subscribe the channel.